Alam mo ba, Pioneer, na ang Ulo Ventures na isa sa top venture capital firms sa Silicon Valley ay officially na nag-list sa Pi Network? Well, hindi lang yan. Recently, may ETP listing na sa Europe para kay Pi Network. Now, kung curious ka kung anong ibig sabihin nito para sa future ni Pi Network, stay tuned kasi i-detalye natin ang lahat ng yan in the next few minutes. Let's go! Okay, rewind muna tayo. Sino nga ba talaga ang Ulo Ventures? Ulo Venture is a venture capital firm. Ibig sabihin, sila ang investors na naglalagay ng pera sa early stage startups na may potential na maging next big thing. Kumbaga, sila yung unang tumaya kay Facebook, Google, o sa iba pang big tech companies. So kapag isang Silicon Valley, isang VC or venture capital ay nag-i-invest sa'yo, parang sinasabi nila na, we believe that this project could be big. At tandaan mo ha, hindi yan basta-basta pumapasok sa mga ganitong investments. Mahigpit sila sa due diligence at madalas, high risk, high reward lang ang pinapasok nila. Way back 2023, Pi Network announced their seed funding round. Kasama dito si Ulo Venture, 137 Ventures, at Designer Fund. Ang ibig sabihin ng seed round, ito yung pinaka-early stage funding. Parang nagtatanim ka ng seed o binhe para mag-grow o maging puno in the near future. That's not just hype, it's real money. And real confidence, of course, para sa nakikita nilang future for the Pi Network. So ano nga ba talaga ang growth nito or ang ibig sabihin nito para sa growth ni Pi Network? Let's talk about three things. Una, credibility boost. Kapag may VC or venture capital backing ka, mas dumadami, of course, ang nagtitiwala. Both users and institutions. Pangalawa, it's a gateway for more institutions. Kapag nakita ng ibang venture capital firms na may naunang nag-invest na kay Pi Network, mas madali silang sumunod. It's like a domino effect ang mangyayari sa market. At pangatlo, ecosystem expansion. More funding means more developers, more apps, at mas mabilis ang growth ng Pi Network economy or ecosystem. In short, this isn't just about the money or the price of the Pi Network itself. It's about building trust and accelerating the project's future. Pero teka, hindi lang sa US ang gumagalaw. In Europe, actually, may nag-launch na ng ETP or Exchange Traded Product. Well, let me tell you this. Ano nga ba talaga ang ETP? ETPs are like ETFs, pero this is for crypto. Parang stock na pwede mong bilhin sa exchange. Pero instead of company, ang hawak mo is exposure to a cryptocurrency. So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito? Number one, mas madaling makapasok ang traditional investors. Kahit wala silang crypto wallet at wala silang masyadong alam in cryptocurrency, pwede silang mag-invest kay Pi via stock exchange. Pangalawa, this shows regulatory recognition. Hindi pwedeng mag-list ng ETP sa Europe nang walang legal approval. Pangatlo, Pi is now standing side by side with other big cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum na parehong may ETP na din. Now, kung pagsasamahin natin, sa US, may VC or venture capital backing from Silicon Valley's Ulo Ventures, and sa Europe naman, may ETP giving Pi access to financial markets. Ang ibig sabihin nito, Pi is not just staying in crypto community. Unti-unti na siyang lumalapit sa financial mainstream world. From grassroots movements, VC ventures, hanggang sa regulated stock exchange sa Europe. And that's a long-term or a signal for long-term adoption. Now, Pioneer, let me tell you this. This is massive, and this is the next big thing. From Silicon Valley VC support to European ETP listings. Now, Pi Network is getting a real-world validation step by step para sumakses. Now, the next big question is, are you ready for the next big thing? Or what's going to happen with the Pi Network? Now, kung gusto mo ng more updates about Pi Network and other cryptocurrencies, like this video, comment your thoughts, And of course, subscribe and hit that bell button para updated ka at hindi ka ma-left behind for the next big crypto wave. See you again, Pioneer, next Friday. Let's learn small and win big.